Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Want to glow up before the new year? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing some fun and fabulous tips for a successful black girl glow up before 2025. This is for all my gorgeous black queens, cause let's be real, we want to shine before the year ends. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get glowing. Tip 1. Love yourself. Okay, before we get into skincare or dress-ups, we gotta talk about the real MVP of glowing up. It's self-love. Listen sis, no product is going to make you shine brighter than feeling good about yourself from the inside. So here's your daily reminder that you are magical. You are enough and you deserve to treat yourself like the queen you are. Start your day by looking in the mirror and saying, I am beautiful. My skin is radiant and I'm glowing from the inside out. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, you'll start to believe it. Tip 2. Love your skin. Now that we've got our mindset right, let's talk about skincare. Because your melanin is precious, so let's take care of it. Cleanse your skin. Cleansing is non-negotiable. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser, like CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, or something enriched with shea butter or aloe vera. It keeps your pores clear without stripping your natural oils. Moisturize your skin. Hydration is your skin's BFF. Pick a moisturizer that matches your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combo. Keep it rich and glowing. Sunscreen is a must. Sunscreen protects against hyperpigmentation and keeps your skin even-toned and radiant. Find one that doesn't leave a white cast like Black Girl Sunscreen. Glow up tip. Use a hydrating sheet mask or a vitamin C serum once or twice a week. And don't forget to exfoliate gently to reveal that smooth, radiant skin beneath. Develop a nighttime routine. Your skin repairs itself at night, so give it some love before bed. Double cleanse if you wear makeup. Use a toner to balance your skin pH, and finish with a nourishing night cream or facial oil. Tip 3. Love your hair. Now, let's move to our hair. Whether you're rocking braids, afro, a sleek wig, or protective styles, your hair deserves all the love. Keep it moisturized. Dry hair is a no-no, so use a leave-in conditioner or a creamy hair butter to hydrate your strands. Seal it in with an oil like jojoba or castor oil for that extra shine. Protect it at night. Sis, if you're not sleeping with a satin bonnet or on a satin pillowcase, what are you doing? Cotton dries out your hair, but satin keeps it silky and smooth. Your hair will thank you in the morning. Switch it up. Sometimes, a new hairstyle can give you that instant glow-up boost. Try a new protective style or experiment with hair accessories like hair clips or headbands to elevate your look. Scalp care. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Massage your scalp with oils like peppermint or tea tree oil to stimulate growth and keep it moisturized. Tip 4. Love your life. Your glow up isn't just about products, it's about your lifestyle. Drink your water. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Add some lemon or cucumber for a detox boost and a little spa-like vibe. Nourish your body. What you eat shows up in your skin, hair, and whole body. Load up on skin-loving foods like avocados, sweet potatoes, and greens. Your glow will be unstoppable. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for fitness. It's for your mind too. Do yoga, work out, or go for a walk. Anything that gets you moving. Prioritize rest. Sis, sleep is part of the glow up. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to let your body recover and recharge. Tip 5. Love your style. Finally, let's talk about owning your glow. Style isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. Find your confidence. Pick clothes that make you feel good. Add accessories like big hoops, layered necklaces, or a hat. And don't forget, confidence is your ultimate glow-up secret. Chin up, shoulders back, and flash that beautiful smile. Organize your closet. Clear out anything that doesn't make you feel fabulous. Build a wardrobe of pieces that spark joy and fit your personal style. Elevate your scent. A signature scent can be a game changer. Find a perfume that makes you feel confident and radiant every time you wear it. Tip 6. Love your mind. Your glow up starts within, so let's talk about mental health. Practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal. Write down the things you're thankful for every day. It shifts your mindset and helps you focus on the positives. Set goals. Visualize where you want to be by the end of 2024. Write down your goals and break them into small, actionable steps. And that's pretty much it. My full glow up guide to help you feel and look amazing in your own skin before 2025. Remember, glowing up is a journey, not a race. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. If you made it to the end of this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment below your favorite glow up tip. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a glow up moment. Until next time, stay glowing and stay beautiful.